Athens walking tour. So what is going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So we are in Athens and we are going to be doing a beautiful virtual tour of all of the prime locations here in Athens, or at least some of them, since there are so many beautiful spots in Athens that you can explore. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe down below for a lot more content of Greece, Athens, and a lot of the Greek islands as well. And make sure you stay all the way until the end, as I started doing cash giveaways for all of my YouTube subscribers, and I'll be giving the instructions on how you can participate in the cash giveaways on this video at the end. So definitely stick around so you can find out how you can win some cash money. So as the season is rolling in, the summer season here in Greece, there is a few things that I wanted to discuss, just because I feel that a lot of times when people come to Greece and visitors, they may not know a few things. Obviously, right? We all don't know if we're going to a new country, but there has been a few incidences, unfortunately, already, and the high peak temperature season has not come about just yet, but there has been a heat wave all throughout Greece. It has gotten better now, but during that time there was several accidents. So I really wanted to make sure that I mention this in my video, in the beginning of the video, so that way if I can help even one person, that would really mean a lot to me. So the biggest thing is making sure that at the peak of the sun, where the sun is the most highest, anywhere from about noon to about 3-4 o'clock in the afternoon, if you are going to decide to go on a beautiful stroll like this, please make sure that you are very well hydrated, you are wearing a hat, and that you have some sunblock on. Because unfortunately, again, there has been some incidences going on, and before we know it, the heat can really get to us and it can really do damage to us. There was a few times, if you have watched any of my other videos, I do a lot of walking tours. I love exploring, I love hiking. So that is the content that I love doing for you guys. I take you on my adventures, but there definitely has been times during these adventures that I myself, even being Greek, coming to Greece my entire life, being used to the heat here, it is a very different type of heat. It is dry. The sun is very, very strong here. And I still caught myself a few times having to cut my filming short, finding shade, running to get more water, having to sit down, buying juices, buying ice creams, getting fruit, because I was starting to not feel well. So I really, really just wanted to make this very well known in this video. I don't, want to kind of ruin the vibe of the video at all, because obviously everything else is beautiful, but I really just want to be as helpful as possible, not just, make helpful content or, content that you can view, but also just a few pieces of advice when you are traveling to Greece, especially in Athens, where it is in the city center. And, there's no kind of ocean that you can jump into as opposed to when you are on the islands. The only good thing about being in the city center is that you can at any corner go and get some cold water, some sorbet or something to kind of refresh yourself, as opposed to the Greek islands. But I still wanted to make sure that I mentioned that during this video. So I really hope that this video is enjoyable for you. I absolutely love Athens. I have come back here to stay. So again, make sure you're subscribed, because there's going to be so much content coming for Greece. Now let's discuss some cash money. So I started doing these cash giveaways just as a thank you for being here as a YouTube subscriber, and also just really wanting to grow the travel community for Greece a lot more and really just be able to connect with you guys. So I started doing these on specifically all of my Greece travel videos. So to be able to participate in the cash giveaways, you must be a subscriber to the channel. So again, make sure you go below and you subscribe to the channel. You hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I post up new videos, and you share this video that you are watching right now with a family or friend that you would want to come and travel Greece with. The second thing is going to my Instagram. There is the direct link down below in the video description for my new Instagram page, as that is where I'm going to be hosting the giveaways, and I will be hosting them in my stories. So you're going to go and give me a follow on my Instagram page, and then pay attention to my stories, as that is where I will be hosting the giveaways. So again, to reiterate, make sure you subscribe down below, you hit the notification bell, you share this video with a family or friend, and you go and give me a follow on my Instagram page so you can stay up to date on when the next giveaway is going to be held so you can participate. The good thing is that I am going to be using a online kind of tool that will be able to pick which winner fairly, and it will be totally random, so you guys have multiple chances of being able to be a winner if you participate in every single one. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you guys soon. Thanks so much for tuning in. Until next time.